Welcome to Escape Fort Canning, the virtual edition. You are currently at Bukit Larangan, Forbidden Hill, today commonly known as Fort Canning Hill, with the rich 700-year history. It's a unique place where an unlikely combination of events has taken place at the hilltop Fort Canning Park. Artifacts uncovered during the construction of the reservoir in 1926 and recent archaeological digs show that Fort Canning Hill housed a kingdom in the 14th century. Extensive Malay and Chinese historical records support the evidence that the royal palace of ancient Malay rulers stood on the summit of this once forbidden hill. It is also a place rich in colonial history. Raffles once resided and governed over Singapore. Here, he started his own botanical garden. Today, it is still home to Spice Garden and many heritage trees. Evident from the rich history of Fort Canning, despite Singapore's young age as a nation, it has a rich multicultural history that spanned much longer. Fort Canning has also played a key military role throughout Singapore's history. You will see many historical military artifacts from the colonial era. This is also where the British decided to surrender to the invading Japanese during the Second World War. Today, Fort Canning Hill and Park remain as one of Singapore's most important historical landmarks. You will be embarking on Singapore's first technology-enabled outdoor escape room. Through this activity, you will challenge one another in teams to complete this amazing race. Bond as a team, learn about the rich history of Fort Canning, its significance and the role it plays in total defense. And finally, have a lot of fun. Remember, your ultimate goal is to complete the puzzle. But before you embark on your missions to escape Fort Canning, here are the rules and guide to assist you.